4, 3, 2, 1. Cool, cool, cool. Turn it off, and you got yourself a really beautiful curl right here. I'm going to introduce you to the best hair dryer in the world. So I want to present to you guys the Marvel Hypersonic. We do have those awesome babies in two different colors. We have them in rose gold and we have them in black as well. Each one of them comes with an amazing features such as extremely long cord, so you will be flexible moving around as you work. Next, you're going to have all the digital components right here. So this dryer is awesome. The bottom right here on the bottom is going to be your speed, how fast you want the dryer to go. The top button is going to be your temperature. So you can go from cool to 140, 190, 250 Fahrenheit, and also it has the ionic function button to avoid any type of freeze. All you have to do is press the cool off button right here. The nice thing about this dryer, you might think when I click this button I might change the temperature and the speed accidentally. However, what you could do on the button right here, you will have an off and on button, but it's also going to have the option to lock the buttons right here. So now as you press those buttons, you will not be able to change accidentally. Now let's talk about the awesome self-cleaning feature that this beautiful dryer has. So as time to time you will hear a noise of a self-cleaning function. All the dirt and the dust going to the back of the filter right here, you will prevent yourself from getting that motor clogged. You will also have an amazing magnet attachment right here that will allow you to remove, clean the filter very well, and put it right back. In case the back of the dryer hit your client's hair or your hair accidentally and you're afraid for it to suck the hair, no worry, nothing like that is going to happen. It's completely safe. Indifferent from other dryers out there in the market, with the Hypersonic you get this additional tube length which allow you to hold the dryer right here, so as you process the hair and dry it and create that tension in the new growth area, especially for thick and coarse hair clients. That tube also allowed me to control the hair as a blow dryer to allow me a good support as I dry my client's hair. An amazing feature I can tell you is that every time you use a conventional hair dryer, the nozzle always comes apart. Our Hypersonic also has a magnetic attachments that guarantee for those attachments never fall off as you dry your hair or your client hair. You can switch between the different attachments from the narrow nozzle right here to the thicker nozzle right here, or you can use the diffuser right here to define any curls. Let's get to the highlight of this dryer. We're talking curls, we're talking era, we're talking magic. Watch this. You will also get with this dryer two direction of air wraps. So the one you can curl the hair this way and the other air wrap to the other direction. Watch this. Turn it on. I recommend to turn it on the highest temperature, which is 250 Fahrenheit. Then you will get the hair just like this, and you will come from the top right here, flip it just like that, pull the dryer out, and then the dryer will pull the hair and will allow to form an amazing curl that is going to last for a long time. Typically a curl will take you about 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool off button to lock those cuticles. Turn off the dryer and simply slide it out just like this to receive this beautiful curl right here. Now the way you can do it is by going from right about here and just get with the dryer close to the hair as much as possible, and the dryer will just suck the hair and create another beautiful curls right here. If you would do it for yourself, you can do the same very, very easily. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool, cool, cool. Turn it off, and you got yourself a really beautiful curl right here. Round of applause.